In the heart of every veterinary clinic, there's a silent guardian ensuring the health and well-being of our furry friends. Meet Gerry, IMV's dedicated service engineer, specializing in maintaining healthcare machines for veterinary practices. From X-ray generators to ultrasound machines, Gerry's expertise keeps your critical tools in top condition. Gerry is prepared for any eventuality, whether it's for a routine checkup or an unexpected urgent repair. Regular inspections can help detect potential problems early, allowing for proactive measures to be taken, and ultimately save money by reducing downtime, minimizing repair costs. His dedication ensures that veterinarians can focus on what they do best, providing compassionate care to animals. IMV's field service engineers, keeping your practice running smoothly.